Hello everyone and welcome to our virtual Lab 2 presentation for the course Building Human Capital. Today our topic is Inside Amazon's Learning Culture, the Alexa case study. This presentation explores how Amazon develops its employees through a strong learning culture and how this contributes to innovation. My name is Salama Al-Doubi, and along with my team members Khalid Al-Minhali and Elyazia Al-Dhiri, we will walk you through the key insights of this case. Amazon was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in Seattle, originally starting as a small online bookstore. Over time, the company expanded rapidly beyond books and transformed into a global powerhouse in e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Amazon operates with a clear mission to be Earth's most customer-centric company. This mission strongly influences its culture and learning philosophy. Understanding Amazon's evolution is important because it highlights the mindset of constant growth and reinvention. Values that shape how employees are trained, reskilled, and empowered at Amazon. Today, Amazon employs over 1 million employees across the globe, making it one of the world's largest workforces. Its brand portfolio includes well-known products and services such as Alexa, Prime, Whole Foods, and Amazon Go. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the company experienced a massive hiring surge due to increased online demand. However, Amazon also faced criticism regarding workplace culture, especially in fulfillment centers. This raised discussions about employee well-being, motivation, and development. Despite these challenges, Amazon continues to be recognized as a global leader in technology, innovation, and digital transformation, making its learning strategies extremely relevant for organizations today. A key strategic strength of Amazon is its sustained commitment to employee learning, capability building, and career development. The company has invested over $700 million in training to upskill employees across corporate and operational roles. Through initiatives such as the Amazon Technical Academy, Machine Learning University, and AWS training programs, employees gain future-ready skills in technology, data, and artificial intelligence. The Career Choice Program also supports employees in pursuing further education and earning industry-recognized certifications, creating pathways for career advancements within or beyond Amazon. Overall, Amazon treats learning as a strategic priority that drives innovation, empowers talent, and strengthens long-term success. Amazon extends its learning impact beyond the organization through major global education initiatives. The company pledged to provide skills training to 29 million learners, showing strong social responsibility. It also donated $15 million to Code Organization to expand computer science education for underrepresented students. Through the Amazon Future Engineer program, Amazon provides scholarships, internships, and digital learning resources to support students and schools globally. These efforts shows that Amazon's learning strategy is not only about business success, but also about building future talent and promoting digital inclusion for the next generation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Khalid Al-Minhali, and today I will be presenting my part of the Amazon case study. My section focuses on three main questions. First question is the challenges and forces influencing working and learning that Amazon's efforts help overcome. The second question is whether learning at Amazon supports its business strategy. And finally, my recommendations for Matrix Amazon should use evaluate its training and education programs. Challenges and forces influencing learning at Amazon. Let's start with the first question. Which forces or challenges influencing working and learning will Amazon's efforts help it overcome? Amazon learning environment evolves constantly due to the technology, automation, and global expansion. However, the company faces several challenges, such as a high employee turnover, an intense work culture, and the rapid pace of a digital transformation. To stay competitive, Amazon invests in a large-scale upskilling and reskilling programs for over 1 million employees worldwide. After the COVID-19 pandemic, Amazon also focused more on employee safety, mental health, and job security. Through continuous learning and hybrid learning models, Amazon helped reduce alienation and prevent career stagnation and build a resilient workforce capable of adapting to fast technologies change. Now, moving to the second question. Does learning at Amazon support its business strategy? Yes, absolutely. Amazon's learning programs clearly support its main goals: customer focus, innovation, operational excellence, and long term growth. The company believes that innovation comes from skilled and flexible employees who can use new technologies and adapt to change. For example, Amazon invests $700 million in its upskilling program to train one third of its US workers for advanced technical jobs by 2025. Another great example is the Career Choice Program, which helps warehouse employees earn professional certificates in high demand fields. These programs help Amazon close skill gaps, improve employees' motivation, and gives workers a new career opportunities inside the company. By investing in its people, Amazon builds a stronger and smarter and more innovation organization that supports its long-term business success. Now moving to the third question. What metrics should Amazon collect to measure the success of its learning and development programs? Amazon can use a mix of numbers and feedback to evaluate how well its training works. First, it can track how many employees join, complete, and learn certificates from a program such as a career choice and AWS trainings. These numbers shows how popular the programs are and how engaged employees feel. Second, Amazon should check how many employees move to better or more technical roles after finish their trainings. This shows whether the programs really helps people growth inside the company. In addition, Amazon can compare employee performance before and after training, looking at results like productivity, innovation, and efficiency. If this number improves, it's a clear sign that the training is working. The company can also use HR data and employee surveys to measure things like job satisfaction, motivation, and retention. For example, if its trained employees stay longer and feel happier at work, it means the learning program are adding real value. Finally, monitoring turnover rates, especially in fulfillment centers, helps Amazon see if these programs improve workforce stability and morale. In short, by using these metrics together, participation, promotion, performance, and satisfaction, Amazon can make sure its learning initiatives truly support both employees and business growth. To conclude, Amazon continue investment and learning and development not only helps overcome key workforce challenge, but also strengthens its innovation capacity and supports long-term business growth. Thank you for your listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Elias Drai. Today I will presenting on Nofa Help Me Learn AI powered learning at a Future Tech Innovations. First one, company overview. Future Tech Innovation is a worldwide tech company that started in 2010 in San Francisco, California. They focus on creating artificial intelligence solutions for business, cloud computing, and smart gadgets. By 2024, Future Tech had expanded to over 200,000 employees around the globe, putting a strong emphasis on promoting ongoing learning and innovation. Background and challenge. As a Future Tech grew, the leaders saw that employees were less engaged and not improving their skills as much. The old e-learning system was outdated, boring, and took too long to use. Workers found it hard to manage their jobs while also trying to develop professionally. The HR team needed a better and more user-friendly learning solution that could customize content and fit into the daily routines of employees. The innovation Nofa Learn AI. In 2023, the internal research and development team at Future Tech, led by Chief Learning Officer Sarah and supported by Ali Khan, HR Director, Maria, Learning Experience Manager, and David Lee, Software Engineer, launched Nofa Learn AI. This is a smart digital assistant made to help with learning and development. Implementation. The launch started with 6-month trial that included 2,000 workers from different departments. Nofa Learn worked together with Microsoft Teams and the company HR systems to monitor each person's learning progress. The HR team utilized real-time data to spot skill shortages and match training with the company objectives. Salamat Dubi, the HR director, concentrated on how employees expected the program and gathered feedback on the training. Riyaz Al-Dar'i, the learning manager, created learning paths and tailored the experience for users. Khalid Minhali, software engineering, made sure the data privacy was protected and improved the Nofa recommendation algorithms. Finally, outcomes. After a year, Future Tech shared a 60% boost in how engaged employees are with learning, a 45% decrease in the time it takes to find useful training resource, then improved employee satisfaction ratings on internal surveys. Workers liked how flexible and chatty Nofa Learn was, while the bosses found the information from its analytics dashboard really helpful. Discussing questions. How did Future Tech build trust with employees and protect their data using Nofa Learn AI? Then what effect did AI personalized have on how well people learn? What problems could come up as AI tools like Nofa Learn are used more in workplace training? In the conclusion, Future Tech Innovation showed how AI can change corporate learning by providing a scalable, fun, and personalized way to learn. Nofa Learn AI not only helped fill knowledge gaps, but also made the company a leader in digital change and empowering employees.
Here are the references used throughout the presentation. Thank you for listening.